Hi everybody, it's Shanita from Remax River City, and today I'm here with Stefan Cherwoniak, mortgage broker with DLC Brokers for Life.
Hi guys.
Thanks so much, Stefan, for coming today and hanging out with me.
Hey, no worries. Thanks for inviting me out on this beautiful day here in Edmonton.
Hot day. Today we decided to hang out at, this name of this place is absolutely awesome.
New restaurant, which
It
we
is
both
new.
love.
Yep, and it's called Drunken Ox at Night, Sober Cat in the Morning. How amazing is that name?
Dusk.
Dusk for short. So let's talk a little bit about just if you could explain the difference between a bank versus a broker.
Sure. I think one of the biggest benefits of a mortgage broker is that we have access to many different lenders. So instead of banking at one bank, you can only work within one sort of portfolio of mortgage offerings. So the benefit of working with a mortgage broker is that we have access to many different lenders, including the branch level banks. And that way we can get our clients and your clients the best mortgage to fit their lifestyle and family's needs.
Perfect. So I've been getting a lot of questions from first-time buyers. So I'd
Sure.
love to spend some time talking about first-time buyers. You know, buying your first home can be intimidating. There's definitely a lot of stuff on the market here in Edmonton. The first reaction that people have is go online and see what's out there.
Yeah.
But as a realtor, I want to set my clients up for success. So
For sure.
an important question that I have to ask my clients all the time is, do you have a pre-approval? And what I find is many of them just don't.
Yeah.
So, you know, right now, that I think is definitely the first thing that you would have to do.
For sure.
So let's just maybe chat about first-time buyers. So first thing is, how do I qualify?
You bet. So the importance of being successful in purchasing a house starts with a pre-approval. So the benefit of a pre-approval is that we're collecting a little bit of information in advance to know exactly what you're going to qualify for. So when we crunch all those numbers, we're going to give you your maximum purchase price, and the other added benefit is that you know exactly what you can qualify for, exactly what your mortgage amount is, and then you can shop with confidence knowing what that payment's going to look like as well. Additionally, we do have the opportunity to give you a rate hold. So in a strengthening market where the interest rates are starting to go up, unfortunately, it's really important to get that rate hold secured, and it's guaranteed for 120 days. So not only are you shopping with confidence on knowing what you can afford, but you know what that ceiling rate is going to be. And of course, we'll always go back to the market to see if there's something better once you find a house to purchase.
Perfect. So when you qualify them, you obviously qualify them for the maximum purchase price.
Right.
So the question is, do they have to spend the maximum purchase price?
No, just like a credit card where you're pre-approved for a $5,000 limit does not mean that you have to spend 100% of the maximum purchase price that we're going to give you. The reason that we do that, though, is to ensure that you understand that you've got a little bit of wiggle room. So a good example is if you're pre-approved for a $500,000 house, but your range that you're looking in is $450,000. If you found something that was $455,000 and we only pre-approved you for $450,000 because that was the range you told us, then we would have to do the whole process over again. So the purpose of giving the max purchase price is to know that you've got that wiggle room and exactly what you can afford.
Perfect. So let's now talk a little bit about down payment.
Sure.
I always get the question is, can a first-time buyer put no money down? So there's a question.
It's probably one of the most popular questions that we do get as mortgage brokers, and the answer is no. There's no such thing as a zero down payment anymore in Canada. So the minimum down payment in Canada is 5%. So if you don't have your own savings, the next best option is to actually ask for a gift from an immediate family member. If you have very, very strong credit, little debt, and good income, we could look at doing a borrowed down payment. So we would be borrowing from an unsecured line of credit, but we would highly recommend doing other options, maybe as like an RSP loan. And then that way, once you put your RSP loan into your RSPs, we can withdraw it tax-free for your first-time home buyers withdrawal.
Perfect. And that really helps as a first-time buyer. So,
For sure.
So definitely a couple of things we want you to do is get a pre-approval. And, the second thing, of course, is when we're looking at down payment, there are a lot of options. So The first one, of course, would be if you had savings, that would be
Ideal.
the best one.
Yeah, for sure.
But, we always know that there are families that are willing to help their family members out when they're purchasing their first home.
For
So
sure.
that's definitely a great option as well. So, and then essentially, once you have a pre-approval, and you have that interest rate
Yep.
held, then the fun stuff begins and you're ready to go out shopping.
Get to go shopping. Yeah, for sure. How exciting is that? Especially when you're a first-time home buyer. It's awesome.
Exactly. So, Stefan and I, we're always here for you. We're here to help you through the process. It doesn't have to be scary. So, Stefan, how can we get a hold of you?
So the best is shoot me a text or send me a message on your phone at 780-238-4786. I'm available for you at any time, so don't hesitate to reach out.
Perfect. Thanks very much. Thank you so much for coming to this awesome place.
My pleasure.
And again, my name's Shanita from Remax River City. So if there's any way that I can help you through the process, I'd love to hear from you. And of course, you will see my information somewhere in here. Please give me a call or send me an email, and I'd love to chat with you. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks, guys.